Hi guys. So I was contacted by a company named Minecraft Joy. They said they really enjoyed my channel and wanted to send me one of their diamond painting kits. They asked me to send them two pictures, so I sent them one of my husband and I and one of my boys in front of the Christmas tree, which is my favorite picture of them. I was really hoping that was going to be the picture. They didn't tell me which one they were sending me, and which was fine. And now we are unboxing it together. This box is huge. So I'm sorry I can't get it all on the camera, but they are US based and they are family owned, which I love. I love to support small businesses or family owned, whatever, what have you. And we are opening it together and we are going to see what picture they chose. And I instantly knew right there when I saw that because of the outfits my boys wore, they chose them, and I'm so happy they did. This is my absolute favorite picture. This thing is huge, y'all. Okay, huge. The quality is absolutely amazing. I wasn't expecting much. This is the first company that's contacted me. And to be honest, people said be careful. And I had, you always worry a little bit, but I was trying to give them the benefit of the doubt. And they did not disappoint, y'all. They sent me this for free. I can't thank Craftjoy enough. I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to start. They send you everything you need. Yeah, I'm sorry. I can't even get that whole thing in my camera. So I'm kind of like sliding it around so y'all can see it. Look at the quality. Like their faces look great. The clothes look great. The tree. It looks great. There's not a lot of blurring. Yeah, look at the Christmas tree bright in the bright light. Geez Louise. It's literally like glowing, like it's right there. This is the wax that you use to put your diamond pieces. Well, you put that on your little, I guess you call it pen thing, and then you can grab your diamond pieces. So they sent me all the diamond pieces I need. They sent me the instructions. If I mess up my words, I'm sorry. This is my first time doing it. I'm a little nervous and I'm trying to do this correctly because they seriously did an amazing job. So you get every diamond piece you need. And if you need more, like if you lose some or something happens, they actually have them on their website, which I'm going to show you soon. So you can buy replacements if needed. So here's all the instructions. So all your little symbols are color coded. So you know exactly which color to put where. I've done diamond paintings before. They are fun and relaxing. I just have to do them in like little spurts because I suffer from migraines. And looking at something small like this kind of causes headaches for me, but I love doing them and I just do a little each day because these really are fun and relaxing. They also gave me an affiliate link, which I will link in my description box. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you they are going to give me 10% of each sale. That does not mean, so let me go ahead and explain this. So I'm not the type that's going to be like, go buy this, just so I can get a few dollars. No. If it's garbage, I'm not, no. But this is really great quality. Something I could stand behind. I love it. I'm also going to show you the back and I'm going to show you the website. They have some really gorgeous diamond painting kits. Really gorgeous. So here on the side, I'm showing you that they even have the color coding there as well. What size you have right there. And their prices, y'all, are very reasonable. And right now, they are having a sale, which you will see when I show you the website. So like I said, I will put my link in the description box. If you want to go check it out and shop, have at it. If you don't, that's okay too. So I'm just showing you when you lift up the little protective layer. Always make sure you keep that on when you're not doing your diamond painting kit. That way you don't get dust and hair all in it. So I do suggest that. Just make sure you always have that on there. Look at that, y'all. Look at the quality. It's amazing. I can clearly see their faces fine. Here's the back. It's really nice. It's like a really soft felt, maybe. I'm not sure if that's felt. It feels like felt, but it's really nice. And then I forgot to show you this. They give you all the little pieces you need. So the white thing holds your diamonds. Makes it so much easier when you need to grab them. You get your tweezers, more wax, and there is your little pen. You put the wax on the tip, and that's how you pick them up. Here is their website. Right now, guys, they are having a winter sale up to 50% off. I'm going to show you a few things. So here's the sizes you can get. Small, medium, large, extra large. Then I'm going to show you some of the painting kits. Look at these. I absolutely love the butterflies. Like, they're all gorgeous, but those butterflies. And then Santa. So they got all the, like, different holidays and themes. It's really awesome. Look at that owl. Oh, my God, that one's gorgeous. So right now, I think I show you, and those right there are like $8 right now. If I'm not mistaken, it was like $8. Yeah, there you go. See how they're on sale. So it's $8.95. And that's a really good price. So you guys, even if you don't want to buy anything, definitely go in there and just check them out. See what they're all about. See if it's something you might be interested in. And they have another section for just all the tools you'll need. Like the glue to hold it, to protect it, hold it together. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. Look at the latch hook collection. I didn't know they had that. That's cool. I've never done latch hooking. Maybe some of you have, but those are gorgeous. So, I don't know. I've never seen the stretch bars, but I guess that's kind of like a framing for your diamond painting kits. I never put one on mine, so I've never seen them before. That was my first time. So here's all the spare diamonds. So they have all kinds of colors. All kinds. So you never have to worry about if you lose them and you can't get more. You can. Right on their website. But like I said, 50% off. Thank you so much to Craftjoy. I appreciate this so much. I cannot wait to get started. I hope you guys go check it out, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, y'all.